Here's a fun concept: cosigners for a loan. Cosigners, an important concept in loan terminology. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about cosigners in loan concept or loan terminology. If you're considering taking out a loan, understanding cosigners is crucial. Definition of cosigners is basically this: a cosigner is a person who agrees to be responsible for a loan if the primary borrower defaults on the loan, which is very bad. I don't know why you want to be a cosigner. It's beyond me, but go ahead. People are looking to screw people left, right, and center, but now you want to be a cosigner. Go for it. The reason you found this is because you are looking for a cosigner, or you are a cosigner. The cosigner's credit history and financial stability are taken into account when the primary borrower is being considered for the loan. Reason to use a cosigner: there are several reasons actually. The borrower might choose a cosigner for the following reasons. These are three main reasons: improving the chance of being approved for a loan, increasing the loan amount that can be borrowed, and having a cosigner with a better credit score for financial stability. Risks of being a cosigner. This is for the cosigner. There is a risk being involved as a cosigner. If the primary borrower defaults on the loan, cosigner is responsible for repaying the loan. For example, if I default on the loan or the mortgage, my mother is responsible for repaying the whole 4,000. Last time I checked. This can have serious consequences for the cosigner, including damage to credit score and legal action. Tips. There are tips, so keep these in mind. If you are considering being a cosigner for a loan, here are some few tips in mind. Understand your responsibility as a cosigner. Make sure you can afford to pay the loan if the primary borrower defaults. And make sure you read the fine, tiny lettered terms and conditions of the loan. In conclusion, a cosigner is a person who agrees to be responsible for a loan if the primary borrower defaults on the loan. Using a cosigner can improve the chance of being approved for a loan and increase the loan amount that can be borrowed, but it also carries risks. If you are considering being a cosigner, it is important to understand your responsibilities and make sure you can afford to pay the loan if the primary borrower defaults on their loan and runs away to Panama Canal pretending to be dead. Or somewhere else, for that matter. Maybe Dubai. It's a nice place. What do you think? I don't know if they have extradition treaty. But yeah, consider that.